Good afternoon all. My name is Arpita. Today I am going to explain hybrid model. First of all, the question comes into the mind, what is a hybrid model? Hybrid model is a combination of two or more models or more than one model. Next one, why we go for hybrid model? Because every customer may not come with the single problem or a single challenge, but may come with the multiple problem. So the single model not be the solution. That's why we go for the hybrid model. Now we I'm going to explain all over concept of hybrid model. CRS, that is a requirement. We gather the requirement, that is which contains CRS in the form of customer requirement specification. Same CRS is given to the developer as well as testing team. Tester perform testing on the CRS, that is review the CRS, write the test cases for the CRS, write the test plan for the CRS. Still developer convert CRS to prototype design and development. When the tester finishes testing on the CRS, then developer also finish conversion of CRS to SRS. When the prototype design, that is prototype model is ready, then it is given to the prototype testing team for the testing purpose. Then the tester perform testing on the prototype model. If they find any bug or defect in the model, then again it's sent to the developer. Developer will be go and fix that defect, and then again send to the tester. This process will be happen is known as a retest. Retest is a process of testing to check only defect is fixed or not. Then after retesting, if they find any bug or defect in the model, then again it's sent to the developers, and developers go and fix that defect. Also fixing the defect, then again it's sent to the prototype testing team. Then the tester perform testing on the prototype model. When this process will be happening until this prototype model is stable under the prototype testing. Once the model is stable, then it given to the customer. If the customer want any changes in the software, then again it is given to the development, that is prototype design and development. When it's sent to the prototype design and development, it go for the prototype testing as well. Then prototype tester perform testing on that model, that is prototype model, and this process will be happening until prototype model became stable under the prototype testing. Then again it's sent to the customer. When the customer does not want any change in the prototype model, but customer find any kind of defect, again it's sent to the developer, that is prototype design and development. After fixing the defect, it again sent to the prototype testing, that is retest happen many times. Then once the software, that is prototype software, is stable under the prototype testing, then it again sent to the customer. When the customer does not find any kind of defect in prototype model or does not want any type of changes in the prototype model, then customer should give approval for the prototype model. Once the customer give approval for the prototype model, here this phase is for the prototype model, that is dummy model. Now in this way we will start for the actual model, that is HLD. HLD is the high level design. When the HLD is ready, same HLD is given to the developer as well as testing team. Tester perform testing on the HLD. Testing on HLD means what? Review the HLD, write the test cases for the HLD, write test plan for the HLD. When the tester finishes the testing on the HLD, then developer also finishes conversion of HLD to LLD. Once the LLD is ready, same LLD is again given to the developer, that is this side is the developer side, this side is the tester side. Simultaneously this process will happen. Then once the LLD is ready, same LLD is given to the developers or same LLD is given to the tester for a testing purpose. Then testers perform testing on the LLD, that is writing a test case, writing a test plan, review the LLD. Then developers also convert LLD to coding. Once the tester finishes testing on the LLD, then developer also finishes testing on the, that is conversion LLD to coding. Once the coding is ready, by default developer perform unit testing. Why developer perform unit testing? Because to give a test testable software to the testers. That's why perform unit testing. Unit testing is what? Checking the program, right? Checking the program line by line. This is called as unit testing. Once the coding is ready, then it is given for the functional testing. When tester perform testing on the actual model, and if they find any type of defect or bug in the model, again it's sent to developer to go and fix that defect or bug in the actual software. This process will be happen until the actual software becomes stable under the functional testing. After functional testing, we go for integration testing. Same process. Integration testing, tester perform testing on the actual software. If they find any bug or defect, again it's sent to the developer. Developer will go and fix that defect. Again it's sent to the integration testing. This process will be happen until the actual software becomes stable under the integration testing. To integration acceptance testing, same process will be happen. Once the actual model, that is actual software, is stable, then it given to the customer. And then the question comes into mind: what are the benefits, disadvantages, and application of the hybrid model? First of all, advantages of the hybrid model. Hybrid model advantages: first one is that requirements will be go and change. Second one, customer will able to see the software at an early stage. There is ease in communication between the customer and developing as well as testing team. Also, customer delivery of the software is very fast in this hybrid model. And disadvantage is that initial cost is high, but total cost of the hybrid model is less. Also, the delay to start the actual project. Next one, what are the applications? When the customer is a new for the market, then we go for the hybrid model. Also, customer does not sure about requirements, then also we use the hybrid model. And then the huge project or the biggest project have to be done in shortest or possible span of time with highest quality, then also we go for the hybrid model. The next type of the hybrid model is the spiral and prototype model that will explain Pragati.